Hi guys, it's your girl Justena Elise, and today we are gonna do some mini twists for the first time. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. If you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. Comment down below and let me know, have you tried mini twists yet? So I've already did a couple of prep things before this point. So my hair is washed, my hair is detangled, my hair is moisturized and everything, and I actually stretched my hair. Let me show you what I moisturized my hair with first. Okay, so I moisturized my hair with two new products. The first one is, they're both by the same line. The first one is by Texture ID. It's their intensive moisturizing leave-in conditioner, and this is how it looks. So I moisturized my hair with this first. These finger detangled my hair, and then I went in with this Moisture ID Coils Daily Moisturizing Cream, and this is how that looks. So I decided to moisturize my hair with both of these because I'm gonna have the styling for 2 weeks, and I really want to make sure my hair is moisturized and doesn't get dried out or anything like that. So I did it with both of these. I probably didn't have to, but I did it anyway. So I moisturized, detangled, make sure I didn't really have that many knots. I went ahead and sealed in the moisture with this Silk Elements Pure Oil Avocado Oil. I oiled my scalp with this. All right, so after I oiled my scalp, I went ahead and braided my hair into individual braids, and after I braided it into individual braids, I actually like took the braid and pinned it so it can be stretched just like that, and I pinned it with a pin so my hair can be like completely stretched as much as possible. So I stretched it, I did it all over my head, and I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see how the back of my head looks. The twist, I mean, took the braid and I pinned it, stretched it, pinned it, and yeah, that's basically what I did. Take it down, and I'm going to section my hair how I want it to be. Like for sure, I'm not gonna have perfect parts, but for sure my part right here, my middle part, I want it to be straight, and I want each row to be straight. So I watched a lot of mini twist videos, and that's the two key things when it came to parting. That was the most important, to at least have your middle part straight and the straightness across the way. Like after that, you know, you don't really need to have that much straightness going on because it's not a perfect style. It's just something like to look really natural and everything. So let me go ahead and take my hair down, take all my plaits down. So I shouldn't have wore a black shirt, but that's about how long till right here my plait is. On the back, I really don't feel like it's straight at all. It kind of feels like there's the same amount of hair on both sides, but I don't know. We'll see. So I took about this much. Use a buttery cream curl styler or whatever. So the one I'm gonna use today is by the Dew. Y'all know the Dew is like one of my favorite natural product lines. So we're gonna use Cream by the Dew, and it's their Twist and Curl Cream. Has coconut, rose water, vitamin E, avocado, and manu in it, and it says it's perfect for twist outs. So we are doing mini twists today, so I thought this would be good. How it looks like, literally this bad boy is pretty thick. Like, it's not even coming out the jar at all. So I'm gonna use this. It smells amazing. And I am very, very excited to do this. It's not like shea butter thick, but it's pretty thick. And I feel like a little bit is gonna go a very, very long way. This is about how much hair. I feel like this is gonna take me forever, but okay, this is how much hair. And my hair goes all the way to about right here. Okay. So since my hair is basically basically moisturized, I don't really need to add that much product. So I'm gonna take about this much, like, cause I don't want it to necessarily revert my hair. I just need something buttery enough to, you know, help twist my hair. Cause my hair is basically dry. I just need just enough to, I'm gonna add a little bit more so I can twist my hair. Now, this is literally the first one I'm doing. My hair is about the same. So we're gonna see how it come out. I might have to put more product, but I'm not sure. We are going to see. Put more product or put more hair. Either way, I am going to see how this first twist comes out. This is like a really mini twist. Like really mini. And then I'm just gonna twirl the end. I'm gonna add a little more product to the end because I want it to like lock it in. So that's how my twist looks. This is like super mini. A super mini twist. You don't see that? Alright guys, so y'all made it this far in the video. Make sure y'all subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified on my next video. I'm just going to show y'all a couple of times of me doing each mini twist so y'all can get the process going on. So right now I have just two and they're so cute. I go ahead and section about a very, very small amount of hair and go ahead and apply the cream by the Dew, smooth it in, and then go ahead and twist my hair. I try to twist as tight as possible at the root just so we won't have too much puffiness at the root because we are leaving it in for 2 weeks and we are going to get shrinkage. So I twist it all the way to the end and then I twirl it with my finger so we can get that little coil at the end going on. So I continue this throughout my hair and my hair looks so good right here. It's so cute to have all these little mini twists and each piece of my hair to be curled. It's just like I think it's a really good protective style because every inch of your hair gets moisturized and is not dry, and it just it just, you're embracing your natural curl, and I love this about it. So like I said, I wanted to make sure my middle part was exact because that is mainly how I'm going to wear my hair most of the time. But I just continue this process throughout my hair, sectioning off a small section, applying the cream, not that much because as I said, my hair is already moisturized, twisting it pretty tight at the root, but as I go down, kind of loosening it up and then coiling it at the ends. Alright, so I finished my hair and this is how my hair looks. Like I said, I enjoy that every piece of my hair is moisturized, and this just looks so cute. I can think of all the many twist styles I can do with this hairstyle, and how much I'm gonna maintenance this hairstyle throughout the week. But it just looks really natural, really amazing to see my hair like this. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. So I am excited to see what this 2 weeks is gonna bring me. Alright guys, so I just finished my mini twist. And this is how they look. Oh my God. This is how they look. They look so good. Like, I love this. I love it so much. So my hope is for it to last me 2 weeks. We are gonna see if it lasts that long. That is gonna be on my next video. My next video is probably gonna be a maintenance video or different hairstyles I can do with these mini twists. So if you're interested in that, make sure you leave a comment below and let me know. And make sure you like this video so you can see more videos like this. And until next time, guys, remember that you're blessed. Bye, guys.